Hi, I'm Chris Buckentin, Koch Agronomic Services. A lot of buzz in the field right now with the release of our new product, CENTURO A PRO. A PRO utilizes the same technology as the original CENTURO, but with a new, lower use rate. That means you still get the same advantage of the original CENTURO, like 100% non-corrosive, low odor for ease of handling, per ton treatment rate that makes application simple in the field, and of course, our industry-leading pro-nitrogen technology. The lower use rate with CENTURO A PRO will also give you operational benefits, like freeing up tank space, warehouse storage, and of course, quicker tank fill times. With the release of A PRO, we want to make this transition as seamless as possible for you, the customer. So today, I want to walk through the setting of the new presets on the Murray nitrification inhibitor pump. Remember, our new use rate for A PRO is 1.61 gallons per ton, so that translates into 3.5 gallons for 1,000-gallon tanks, 5.1 gallons for 1450s, and 7 gallons for twin 1000s. Okay, so today we're going to show you the presets for CENTURO A PRO on a Murray pump. As you can see, this screen is on an older pump. It's a maple screen. If you have a newer pump with the Horner screen, we'll have a video for that as well. So we're going to begin by pressing F1. That'll take us to our enter preset screen. So as you can see, preset 1 was set up for our original CENTURO use rate at 5 gallons per ton. Remember, our new rate is going to be 1.61 gallons per ton. So we're going to set preset 1 for a single 1,000-gallon tank, and that is 3.5 gallons. So we'll hit enter to awaken the screen. 3.5, remember we don't need to push a decimal. We'll hit enter, and now we'll hit F4 to move on to preset 2. And for 2, we're going to go for a 1450 gallon tank size, and that is 5.1. So again, enter, 5.1. Enter again. Now we'll hit F4 to go to preset 3. Enter to awaken. And our third preset is going to be for a twin 1,000 or 2,000 gallon tank, and that number is going to be 7 gallons. We'll hit enter, and now we'll press F6 to exit. Our presets for 1, 2, and 3 are in. All right, now we got all the presets programmed. Let's go through and verify quick. We're gonna hit F1 to bring us into the preset screen. Again, for a 1,000-gallon tank, it's 3.5 gallons. We're gonna hit F4, go to preset 2 for a 1450, which is 5.1, correct. F4 again to take us to preset 3, and for twin 1,000s, our 2,000-gallon tank, 7 gallons. And we can hit F6 to exit. Now our Murray pump is set for A PRO. With that, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to reach out to your local Koch Agronomic Services sales rep with any additional questions.